This is Syra. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Infinix S5. As you can see, I'm having a problem here. My friend of mine bought it and it's like he forgot his password. And for this case, I switch off my phone. I switch it off, as you can see. After switching it off, here is the solution for this problem. You place the volume up key plus the power button. You long press, you give it some few seconds. Your phone will restart, as you can see. For this case, you long press the volume up key and the power button. You give it some few seconds. Because anytime now, your phone will go in the bio mode. As you can see, I'm giving it time to sort itself. As you can see, my phone is When you reach this point, you place the volume down key and the power button plus you place the volume down, power, and you place volume down, power, and volume up key to go in the recovery mode. You use this volume down key to go to wipe cache partition. You press yes. As you can see, you go in the factory reset. You place the power button to accept and press yes to save changes. As you can see, now it's preparing to go in the factory reset mode. Here you place reboot system. Now your phone is factory resetting. That's what we call hard reset. Hard resetting your Infinix S5. You give it some few time to erase all your data. For this case, all your data will be lost. You just have to insert in new information because we are factory resetting your phone. Let's pause the video as the phone is factory resetting. So I'm going to come back when the phone is now okay to continue. For this case, now you just follow the procedure. As you can see, you press start. You first select language. For me, I've used English. So you skip connecting to wireless network. You just skip this information because it's not necessary. For the case of date and time, if you want, you can set. If you want, you can just say next. You just skip. Face unlock, you skip. You can set them later when you're ready to use them. Fingerprint, password, you just skip everything because your phone is already to be used. For the case of Google, you just skip. For my case, it's asking me to select a country. I can just say Uganda. Here I agree, because if you don't agree, you don't move to the next step. Here you can accept. For this case, it's telling you if you want, you can. If you don't want, you just say next. Then your phone will be ready to use. So thank you for watching. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'm by name of Syra. Click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. Thank you.